Guys, today we will talk about a TikTok application and we will show you how to swap videos parts on TikTok. So guys, let's open the TikTok application and let's tap on the plus icon to create a new project. I will record a new video as an example. So let's check the result. I need to tap on the red button at the central. Well done. To save changes, let's tap on the check mark. I especially shown my hand because I want to show you how to replace the start part and the end part of the video between them to swap it on the video. So guys, when I had my smoothly created TikTok, we need to go to the edit mode after tapping on the first option at the right bar of the screen. So we have our video and here my hand appears. So guys, I want to split my video here. For example, I need to click on the video line and tap on the split option here. Well done guys. So right now we have two parts of the one video, and how to swap them between themselves, I need to hold on the last part and drag it to the first place. Let's check the result. Right now my hands is on the first place, not on the end of the video, but on the first, on the start point. And it's very convenient because my TikTok is very easy, but if you want, it's very simple, but if you want to have a very complicated TikToks with different parts, with different connection TikToks, you can smoothly correct in this way the place of the selected parts and create another effect of the video. So as you can check guys, it's definitely a reverse. And if you liked this tutorial, we're so happy. You can also subscribe to our channel to check other guides about the TikTok and other programs to get to know their secrets and special tricks. And guys, have a nice day. Goodbye. Good luck.